In recent years, the movie industry from South India has really captivated the hearts of Indians. A recent example was seen in Bihar's Patna, where South Indian movie star Allu Arjun launched the Pushpa 2 trailer in a special event. This event captured headlines everywhere because of the people's craze towards Allu Arjun and Pushpa. Now this has made people quite curious because a certain ecosystem has been peddling a narrative of North-South divide throughout the years. Then how come a Telugu film industry movie is receiving so much appreciation in Bihar? How come a South Indian actor is getting so much love in a North Indian state? The videos of Patna's Gandhi Maidan which have come in public domain. You can see how huge crowds have swarmed the ground in huge numbers. There is not even a space to lay a single footstep. Now many propagandists and their believers must be thinking, how can this be possible? Or maybe what you have believed or what you have been told over the years is nothing but divisive propaganda. For instance, several national leaders try to insinuate in their speeches that the South is better than the North or vice versa. Some regional leaders often pass derogatory remarks on other Indians just to score political points. But the truth is above any political conspiracies. The love for South film industry and their celebrities has increased pan-India in the last decade. Moreover, the celebrities from South India have also reciprocated the love. Just see how Allu Arjun expressed love for his Bihar fans.
पहली बार बिहार आया हूं, आपका प्यार और आपका स्वागत के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। पुष्पा कभी झुकेगा नहीं, लेकिन आज पहली बार आपका प्यार के लिए झुकेगा। थैंक यू पाटना।
Allu Arjun spoke in Hindi, even though he seemed to not know it quite well. Still, he interacted with the crowd. This must be giving nightmares to language dividing brigade, which leaves no chance to deride or mock Hindi. Now, some would argue Indians in general are crazy about movies, but then just try to remember, when was the last time you saw this much craze for a Bollywood movie? Coming to Bollywood, a particular difference which you will see between Bollywood actors and those of South film industry, they are more involved with the masses and rooted in ground. Meanwhile, Bollywood celebrities are infamous for their PR stunts and mindless activism. No wonder the Hindi heartland has started to resonate more with South film industry rather than the Bollywood. Arts and entertainment were originally meant to connect the masses beyond any barriers of language or community. The South film industry has been exactly doing it in the last 10 years, which definitely has dented divisive political narrative of many parties and leaders in India. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.